Miss Smith is a great teacher. She makes math look easy. She also teaches her students how to be great people. Miss Smith feels sick one day. Another teacher substitutes. Mr. Johnson teaches the class instead. Mr. Johnson is a bad teacher. He makes math confusing. He also yells at the students a lot. The students want Miss Smith back. He likes to collect stickers. He likes the way they feel and look. He has over 500. He has animal stickers. They are shiny and big. He has fruit-shaped stickers. They smell good. He even has stickers of bugs. They almost look real. He shows his sticker collection to everyone. Her family is going to another state. It is far away. It will take them 48 hours to get there. They have to prepare. Her mom brings a map so that she knows where to go. Her dad buys sandwiches and bottles of water. She brings a camera. Now they can remember this moment forever. Karen lives in California. Her brother lives in Ohio. They miss each other. They only see each other once a year. Karen calls him every day. She talks about their parents. She also tells him about her day at school. He tells her about his day at college. They never want to say goodbye to each other. Lisa and her grandma go to the beach. They ride their bikes. Grandma still rides like a young girl. She is very fast. Lisa is slow, but she is willing to practice. The two ride their bikes for 4 hours. They decide to relax. Lisa gives her grandma a hug. He hears a sound from outside. He looks out his window. The newspaper has arrived. He loves the newspaper. It's just so interesting. He reads the cover story. It is about a homeless man who won the lottery. Then he looks at the cartoons. They are so funny. He loves the newspaper. The Johnsons realize that they have new neighbors. They visit the Taylors and say hello. The Taylors invite them in. They make spaghetti for the Johnsons to eat. The adults talk about the neighborhood. They also talk about what their jobs are. The kids all play in the Taylors' backyard. They get along well. The Taylors feel at home. She goes to the movie theater. The movie starts to play. A monster appears on the screen. She screams. She is scared. She continues to watch. The screen is completely black. She reaches for some popcorn. The monster screams, "Boo!" She jumps and drops all her popcorn. It is time for the show. He plays a doctor in the play. He is nervous. He goes on the stage. He looks at his audience. There are so many people. They are all staring at him. He is about to speak. He forgets his lines. He goes back. Stephen walks around his town. He trips over something. He looks down. It is a wallet. There are $500 cash, credit cards, and a driver's license in the wallet. Stephen needs to return this to the owner. He takes the wallet to his town's Lost and Found Center. Now the owner can find it. David, Jennifer, and Susan try to find something to do. David wants to eat at a restaurant. Jennifer and Susan already ate. Jennifer wants to sing at a karaoke. David and Susan have sore throats. Susan wants to play tennis. David and Jennifer are lazy. What do they do now? She goes to the market. She wants to buy blueberry muffins. She is not sure if it tastes good. She finds an employee and asks for a sample. The employee cuts a small piece and gives it to her. She tries it. It is good. She buys the pack of muffins. She jumps into her bed. She is ready to sleep. She hears a noise. She looks out her window. She sees a dog howling. She goes outside. The dog is sad. His owner does not feed him. She gets the dog some food. She plays catch with him. His tail wags. Edward is a secretary in a doctor's office. He does a lot of things. He greets patients. He asks for their information. He records their height and weight. He tells them how long they have to wait. He answers phone calls. He always knows what to say. Edward also keeps the files organized. She is a maid for a rich family. She does a lot of things. She does the laundry. She washes the windows. She cooks meals. She cleans the tables. She wipes the floors. She does not like cleaning. However, she likes taking care of the children. She reads to them. She picks them up from school. He walks into his house. The door is already open. The windows are broken. Clothes are all over the place. The furniture is turned upside down. He sees a person in a mask. He is being robbed. He makes sure the robber does not see him. He calls the police. The police arrive quickly. They arrest the bad guy. The hairstylist loves his job. He provides many services. He cuts people's hair shorter. It's very easy for him to do. He charges only $5. He straightens hair. This is hard for him to do. He charges $100. He dyes customers' hair. He lets customers pick any color. He charges $50. People think his prices are fair. She reaches into her pocket. Her cell phone is gone. She looks under her bed. All she sees are some coins. She looks under her couch. All she sees are some pencils. She has an idea. She calls her cell phone number with another phone. She hears a ring. It is coming from the kitchen. She sees her phone above the microwave. She goes to the park. She sees a lot of squirrels. They are small. They are brown. They have furry tails. They run really fast. They have big eyes. They are cute. She goes up to a squirrel. She feeds a nut to the squirrel. The squirrel takes it and runs away.